Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Kia Sportage key fob battery. First, identify your specific key fob model, as designs can vary slightly. Gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a well-lit, clean area to work in to prevent losing small parts. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process. Next, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob and press it to slide out the physical key. With the key removed, you will see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and snap them back together until they are securely closed. Reinsert the physical key into its slot. Finally, test your key fob's functionality by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle. If it works, you've successfully replaced the battery. For an easier way to manage your meals, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.